scale your digital marketing agency? What if I told you there's a way to audit your prospects' online presence in just minutes? So that way you can position yourself as the expert they need. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use GoHighLevel's prospecting feature to uncover opportunities, wow my prospects, and close more deals. My name is Adam McChesney, and over the last 6 years, I've sold digital marketing to over 500 companies. And now I'm teaching people just like you how to do the exact same thing. Now let's go make some money. So before we get started and diving through the ins and outs of this incredible feature, I'm going to talk about why auditing a prospect's online presence is the key to closing more deals. The biggest problem I see with digital marketers is that they fail to close deals because they focus on pitching and not providing value. Your prospects don't care about all of the marketing jargon like analytics and clicks and impressions and all those things. They care about results and return on investment. They have hundreds of thousands of options when it comes to hiring a marketing agency. You have to stick out from the crowd. That's why auditing their online presence up front is so powerful. You may not be able to help them, but if you can, you at least know with this audit. And it will set you apart from the 99% of other marketers who are just trying to sell something and then move on to the next opportunity. So with GoHighLevel's prospecting feature, you can analyze your prospects' current online performance in literally just minutes. It will give you the insights you need to have a value-driven conversation rather than a typical sales pitch. Think of it as your secret weapon. It lets you walk into the sales conversation fully prepared to show them where they're losing business and how you can fix it. So let's dive in. So we'll click over here to the prospecting feature itself. We'll come in here to add a prospect. So this was somebody that had just asked me to do a audit for them, touch of glass, window cleaning. All right. I believe this was them right here. So basically what this is going to start to spit out is the Google Business Profile status. So like, do they have a Google Business Profile? Are they on WordPress? And then what is the anticipated conversion rate? So something must be wrong with their Google Business Profile. I think that was actually one of the reasons why they reached out to me as well. But we'll basically click on this. So we'll have all the stuff come out here. If you have a point of contact here that you can put this in here, put their name in there, and then click Save the Prospect. Now with that, it's going to start literally generating this instant audit. So I'm going to pause the video real quick while this loads. All right, so that took about literally 90 seconds. So you literally just get started by inputting the prospect's business name and website into GoHighLevel. This generates this instant audit of their online presence, saving you hours of manual research if you tried to pull literally all of this stuff in there. Always obviously double check that their website and business name are accurate for the most detailed results, which kind of leads us in here to step 2 that starts to basically generate all of this stuff here. So you'll get an overall score. Now with this overall score, it starts to spit out the stuff with their Google Business Profile as well for you to start analyzing some information here. So the overall score is basically at 45%. So with that, 35% is around business details, 20% is their tech stack, 39% is listings, 95% is website performance, and then 35% is SEO analysis. So the first thing is their GBP claim status. So I think they were having an issue with their Google Business Profile as a whole. So some of the stuff here could be that the profile is just down, suspended. It was never claimed to begin with, but it will help you understand things like incomplete information, missing reviews, lack of photos, all major red flags and huge opportunities for you to add value because the Google Business Profile is missing, right? Or is not verified. It's costing them tons and tons of money, right? So the next thing, right, as it starts to analyze some of their website stuff, it basically will analyze their overall website performance. They don't have a chat widget on their website, so obviously could be an area of opportunity. They do have a text-enabled number, they do have a WordPress website. They have no photos on their Google Business Profile, which is kind of what we talked about. They've not replied to any reviews, so the profile's obviously been out there, likely suspended, and they don't have operational hours. So massive, massive things here. Now, some of the tech stack stuff, that is basically this tool is diving into some of their stuff with their website. They don't have Google Tag Manager. They do have Google Analytics, but they don't have Facebook Pixel or any of the Google Ads tracking. Now with some of their listings, which again kind of ties in to everything with their Google Business Profile, is it looks like they're missing some key directories, and about 14 of those key directories that are out there. So this is an opportunity for you to say, hey, maybe you've changed your address or phone number or even the name of the business recently. We need to make sure that everything is kind of cleaned up and the same. So some of this stuff is, again, no match. Some of this stuff is incorrect information. So all of this stuff is just highlighting key issues that are critical to converting more traffic into leads. So what you want to be doing here is quantifying basically how much money that they are losing. And you can even dive into some of their social media presence if you wanted to add this, obviously, to the audit. Now, again, reviews, they have 1 negative review, 3 positive reviews. And when they've responded to stuff in the past, it's been 30 plus days. So massive opportunity. Now, with the website performance, it's taking a look at both mobile and desktop stuff, dives into some stuff with the overall core web vitals and page health report, and then the basically the SEO analysis on their local Google business stuff. Now, again, if they don't have their Google Business Profile active right now, of course, this is probably causing a bunch of these issues. But those are some things that I'm taking a look at. Again, you can go over this in a audit video that you make on Loom, just like I made this video, send it over to them before you hop on that call. You can share the report. You can export it as a PDF as well to get them to take a look at this before you even hop on the call. And then I go over it on the call with them, answering any questions that they may have, maybe doing an even deeper technical SEO audit or website audit or online presence audit to really set the stage. If you implement this or have somebody on your team, a VA can do this. This will help you start to raise the level of your authority as a digital marketer and start to get more people on calls and close more deals. If you got any value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe it if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment with something that you took from this simple 6 to 7 minute video on how you can close more deals. If you haven't done so already, make sure to sign up for the free trial of GoHighLevel, free and extended 30-day trial, link in the comments. You get access to this as well as a bunch of stuff inside of Builders of Authority. We have our free Facebook group that you can join as well. Now let's go make some money.